Hello everybody. In this video, let us discuss about xyseries in Splunk. Xyseries is a command, where it is a useful command in Splunk, where we can transpose the fields. That means whatever the values of the particular fields are there, right? So those values we can always make it as fields itself. That is what basically we can do in xyseries command. So whenever we use transforming commands just like stats or top commands, so for those things we can always use this xy series, where we can, as we discussed, we can always transpose, and not only that, we can always provide meaningful meaningful graphical representation and rich graphical representation as well from this particular xy series command. So now let us discuss in detail about this command. So in order to do that one, let me go to my Splunk interface. So this is my Splunk interface. I will be logging in. Once after logging in, I will be directly going into my search and reporting app. Okay, so first of all, what we will be doing is that I will be taking my own created index. Okay, from that one, what I will be doing is that I will be taking the country and the product IDs. Okay, so I do have product ID, and also I can always have countries also by using IP location as the command. Okay, so let us create that stats command first of all, and then we will be seeing the particular xy series command. Okay, so in order to do that one, I'll be saying index equals to net underscore index. This is my own index, whatever I have created. Okay, source type equals to access underscore combine underscore w cookie, and so here my intention is that I want to have a stats command basically. So for each country, stats count, I'll be taking, and by country I want a country name, and I want the product ID over here. I want the product ID. So whatever the products are there, so for each country I want to get in my particular report the counts of the basic of the particular country and its product IDs in my particular stats command. So in order to get this particular country, what I have to do, I have to use a inbuilt command in Splunk, IP location, which is associated with the client IP. Okay, so this is the particular command I have to take. Okay, so and then only I can get this country command. Okay, then only I can get the values for this particular field country. Okay, so if I remove this one and if I search, basically we won't be finding the country over here in my native index. If I search for all time, see, basically if you search for country over here, you won't be finding any country. Okay, so you won't be finding any country over here. So that's why what I'll be doing, I have to associate the inbuilt command IP location. Just I will be pasting this one. So IP location client IP, if I do, then we will be finding the particular country field over here. So now if you search over here, see, country field already is appearing. Okay, so whenever we use this particular inbuilt command, IP location client IP will be getting that one. And again, so now what I will be doing, I am using a stats command where I have wrote a count function by country and product ID. Product ID already it will be in my native index. So if you search for product ID, it will be available. Okay, so product ID. So what is this? What is the meaning of this stats command? It will be segregating the values based on the country and the product ID, whatever the counts are there. So if I search this one, see, for this country these are all the product IDs, and these are all the counts. This means that this particular product in Argentina, two such products are there in Argentina with this product ID. Okay, so this product ID in Argentina, again 8 such products are there. So like this we'll be having the counts and all over here. So in this kind of representation, okay, so you are normally getting the data where you do have Argentina values, okay, so duplicate values over here, and also across this one we will be having the product values and all, right? So but whenever, as we have discussed, okay, so whenever I use xyseries command, if I extend this one and if I use xyseries as the command, so basically this xyseries command will be using in the x-axis, okay, whatever the field we want we can always put. For example, say in the x-axis if I want country as the field, okay, I can always put, okay, and in y-axis whatever the field we want. So in this case I will be saying product ID, okay, so that field I will be putting over here for the y-axis. I should give a comma separated value over here, product ID, okay, and after that one the counts of the particular y-axis, okay, whatever the counts of the particular y-axis are there, that thing you should always give. So I will be saying count, okay, I will be saying count is also one of the field, right? So we can always give count as the particular thing as well. So country as the x-axis, product ID is the y-axis, and count as the particular count of the y-axis, okay, so the counts of the y-axis will be giving as the third thing, okay, so like that we will be providing over here. So now if you search this one, see, it has been transposed. Earlier what was happening? Earlier product ID was the field and all these are actual values. If you again see over here, country and product ID are the fields, and here see these are all the values of the product ID. So whenever I put XY series, okay, and if I search this one, all these values they are becoming as fields over here. See, all these values they are becoming as fields over here, right? So and again if you see over here for each country, okay, all the particular products, okay, how many products are there, it is showing with the counts and all over here. So which is very useful. So even for Australia there is no repetition of the country values now, but only unique values we do have for countries, and across this one the counts of the particular products we are seeing over here, okay. But here if you see there are so many country list is so much over here. So and if we see the visualization actually, so visualization also we have thought, right, it will be producing meaningful visualization, okay. So in the earlier case if you see, okay, it won't produce proper visualization. So here so many values are there. So let us do one thing, I will be taking only some of the countries, just like India, US and some UK, okay. So what I'll be doing is I'll be saying search command over here, search country equals to India. So because any one of these things I'm allowing, I have to say R over here, okay, and country equals to United States is the name I think for US. Okay, we are not able to see on the same screen itself, okay, I think, okay, let us put first of all United States, or country equals to United Kingdom. So these are the three countries I am going to take, okay. So after this one what I have to do, I have to extend this with a pipe symbol, okay. So now if I search only for three countries, I should get the results for only three countries I should get, right. So only for three countries we are getting, okay. So now what I was saying is that if you search, if you remove this one, okay, so if you remove this XY series, And if you see the particular visualization right now, if I search this one, okay, and if you see the visualization, you won't get proper visualization. So proper visualization you won't get means what? For each and everything, okay, for India, so for India only these many values are there, okay. So for each product ID it is showing the values over here. See, for each product ID it is showing the values, okay, and for product ID it is not showing at all, okay. Only pink color things we are seeing over here. That means it is not a providing good visualization whatever the particular column chart we are seeing over here, okay. But whenever if I put this one xy series, okay, so now if you search over here, even if you go to statistics and search, what will be happening in statistics? We'll be seeing the transpose of the particular field. So whatever the product ID field is there, the values have become fields now, and across this one we have got the counts, right? And if you see the visualization now, see, now we are getting the clear visualization and all. So whatever the 15 or 16 products we do have, it is showcasing all these particular products over here. And see, for India, okay, so for this country India, we do have representation of all these 15 products. Okay, this particular BSAG G09 is having 44 such kind of products in India. So next one is 54. So other product is 62. Like this, each product representation is clearly represented with the different colors. Similarly for United Kingdom, similarly for United States. Okay, so like this, meaningful information and rich visualization we will be having whenever we use XY series. Okay, so this is the main use. So whenever we want to have graphical representation, then you can always use this XY series, where the first field will be representing the x-axis. See here, country is representing the x-axis, and product ID it is representing the particular y-axis. Okay, and again the third field is nothing but the count of the particular y-axis. Okay, so that it will be representing all these things. Okay, so hope this will be helpful for you whenever you want to represent the data in this kind of fashion. For even for statistics purposes also, if you want to have this data in a transposed manner like this, okay, you can always use this particular thing. Okay, and again, not only you need not use this stats command and all. Okay, so if you use, for example, again top command also, which is a transforming command again. So top, if I say over here top, I'll be removing this count function and by clause over here. Okay, country and product I will be saying, and now if I search this one, I'm getting only one thing, because it is limited to, whenever I say top, it is limited to 10 records only. So let me put limit equals to some 100 and check over here. So that we'll be getting all the 3 countries whatever we have specified in our search. Okay, yeah, so now we are getting the 3 countries over here: India, United Kingdom and United States. And now if I go to visualization over here, see, again we'll be having the clear visualization over here. So you need not only use stats command, but top command also you can always use. Basically transforming commands where counts it will be producing, right? So that thing you want to have. Okay, so that it will be representing the particular counts and all over here in this particular visualization as well. So like this, you can always make use of the particular XY series command in your SQL queries and all. Hope this is helpful for you, and again in next video we'll be discussing another topic. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.